doing this, and this, dedicating just 1 hour a day from Monday to Friday, starting from scratch. That's right, my friend. Just 1 hour a day, and today I'll show you exactly how to start from zero without knowing any technical terms. This video is for you if you want to learn a rewarding skill and achieve results using my strategies. I'm Agatha Fiala, a professional trader who has spent 8 years testing strategies in financial markets, appearing on TV, being published in top financial media, and consulting top investors. Today, I'll help you understand what trading is and how to get results from it. In this video, you will learn what you need to do to start understand trading and see real market analysis examples, even if you are a beginner. But most importantly, at the end of the video, I'll give you a proven algorithm that will help you understand the market even if you are just starting out. Watch closely. Now, let's begin. Before we begin, I have important information that could drastically change your financial situation. You are watching this video because you want to understand trading, but do you know what actually gives benefits? Practice. And even better, following someone who already gets results. Twice every single day, I trade live in my private community. In my traders community, I trade in real time, and many people are already applying my trading strategies. No guesswork, no years of studying. Entry to the club is free, but spots in the community are limited. So if you want to join, click the link in the description or pinned comment, pause this video now and click the link and join my trading club. Don't miss this chance, and let's keep going. Now, let's move on to the most exciting part, the market analysis. The platform is already open and we are starting with the minimum for clarity. I'm selecting the tools, pairs, trade duration 1 minute and a 30-second time frame. And as for indicators, I'm using Alligator, which consists of 3 moving averages that help predict where the market will move in the near future. Their different positions indicate the start, continuation, or end of a trend. It's important to remember that indicators provide information for analysis, but don't guarantee the accurate forecast. You will see with your own eye how the situation develops through careful analysis and effective decision-making. Make yourself comfortable. I'm starting with a rising position. Right now, the chart shows a downward trend and the price has reached a support level, a level that prevents the price from dropping further. This is a point on the price chart where buyers are ready to act. In this area, demand usually exceeds supply, which stops the price decline and often leads to a reversal upward. We see a certain price level, and such levels are typically strong. More often than not, prices bounce off them and start moving up. This allows me to join the upward movement. Great start. Let's keep going. There is a downtrend here. A strong price drop recently occurred, and now the price is making a slight correction upwards. However, it has settled below the Alligator indicator, and the moving average lines have turned downward. This suggests that the correction is over and the downward movement is likely to continue. Therefore, I am opening a short position. We see that our decisions have worked out, so let's move forward. On this pair, a full reversal has occurred after a drop. The price is now making higher heights, and the indicator lines have turned upward, confirming strong buying pressure. Making higher heights is when the price of a financial instrument in a growing trend stops reaching new highs and instead forms a peak at the same or lower level than the previous one. This indicates that buyers are losing and may not be able to push the price higher. If after this the price breaks the previous low, the trend may reverse downward. Based on our current situation, I place a long position. This progress is looking great. Let's keep it up. I'm trading with the trend. The price is moving in waves. An upward move, a slight correction, and then a new high. Now that the correction is over and the trend continues, I'm going up. Correction is a temporary price movement against the main trend. A drop in a rising market or a rise in a falling market. It happens due to profit-taking, temporary supply-demand imbalances, and rarely changes the overall trend. Do you like the results? Because I do. Impressive, right? This is just the beginning of your journey. Remember how some people regretted not investing in Bitcoin in 2015. Those who took the risk unlocked a completely new opportunity. Today you have a unique opportunity. Don't let it slip away. In my community, you will see how I apply my knowledge in real time. I share my market analysis experience and the methods I use. You can start applying my approach right now, even if you have zero experience. This is your chance to learn analysis methods and apply them in practice. But keep in mind, entry to the community is free and I personally help every new member. That's why I can't take too many people. So don't wait, join now. Pause this video, click the link in the description or pinned comment and start getting benefits with me. Begin your journey in trading now. As expected, the correction upward is over, but the downtrend remains intact. The price has dropped below the indicator lines, confirming that sellers are still in control. The support level is still far away, so I confidently join the downtrend. We are already halfway through our session. Let's continue. I'm revisiting this pair. After our last trade, the price broke the support level but failed to stay below it. This is called a false breakout. A false breakout occurs when the price temporarily moves beyond an important support or resistance level but quickly returns. It often acts as a trap for traders who mistakenly think a new trend has started. Usually, after a false breakout, the market reverses in the opposite direction. I choose to enter a long position predicting a reversal. Let's move on. Here, the price was moving upward and reached a resistance level. A pin bar candlestick appeared at the top, followed by a red candle, confirming that a downward correction has begun. A pin bar is a candlestick with a small body and a long wick on one side. It indicates that the price briefly moved beyond a level, but then reversed, which can show weakness in the current trend. A long lower wick suggests a bounce from support. Traders often see pin bars as potential reversal indicators, especially at key levels or in overbought, oversold zones. Based on the current situation, I open a short position expecting a pullback. We are not stopping here. Let's keep going. The price is moving in a sideways range, also called consolidation. It fluctuates between two horizontal boundaries without a clear trend direction. Think of it as the price being stuck in a corridor. Even though the price is ranging, the overall trend is still upward. This period of sideways movement is often a pause before the uptrend continues. Right now, the price has dipped to the lower boundary of the range, like hitting the floor of the corridor. This is an area where buyers usually step in, making it a good opportunity to go upward in anticipation of a bounce. Some traders consider this zone potentially significant. I take action. We are wrapping up soon, but let's make a few more trades. After breaking a level, the price failed to continue downward. Instead, an upward correction began. Sellers gave in. Buyers again seized this initiative and begin to act. So I will react to this change. I'm going up. Great! Let's move on to our final trade. As expected, the correction has ended and the price is now moving back above the indicator, confirming a continuation of the uptrend. This is an ideal moment for going upward. That was great! The market analysis was insightful and the decisions we made followed a logical strategy. The key takeaway is always analyze the market carefully and stick to your strategy. Trading in financial markets involves risk. Always keep it in mind. Make sure to manage your risks and conduct your own analysis before making any trading decisions. You just saw how I trade on the market. You've seen the trades, you've seen the results, and now you face a question. Will you just keep watching or will you finally take a step toward real change? If you're watching this video, it means you are already looking for new ways to increase your income. But let's be honest, knowledge without action is worthless. If you don't apply it, it remains just information. That's why I created a community where I host live analytical sessions, explain market analysis methods, and where you can join and start learning even if you have no experience. Every day I analyze the market live. You see real analysis examples. Everything is transparent, no theory, just real practice. But here is what you need to understand. Access is free and open for now, but it won't last forever. I personally help a new member explain mistakes and show strategies, so spots are limited. You can either wait and miss out or click the link in the description or pinned comment and start getting rewards with me today. So the choice is yours. I'll see you in the community.